Hello, in this video we'll be checking out Rocket League Sideswipe, and we'll be looking at a setting called Network Input Buffer and how it affects gameplay. Let's play the game. So we're playing on the same network and same internet connection, so there's no advantage on that in any way. So the phone on the left will be having input set to extreme, and phone on the right will be having it to none. And now we're gonna jump at the same time. Now we go one less. And jump at the same time. Now we go on one less. And jump at the same time. One less. And jump at the same time. And now we're gonna set our both phones to none and jump at the same time. And now we're gonna set our both phones to extreme. And jump at the same time. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a comment and like below.